Hi everyone, I'm Noelle and I'm gonna be helping you all remix the Go Viral project. So this is what you all are probably looking at right now, which is a great start. And we are gonna remix it. It's the remix. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is make sure we understand the code that is here. So if you already do, you can skip like the next minute of the video if you don't. So the movement right now is set to 5 at the beginning. So if you have, you can see here. So wherever movement steps. So if you move 5 steps at a time, you're going to move faster than if you move 1 step at a time. So that's that. And then so you begins at 5. The population or amount of people is 50, and then amount of the population is the amount of clones you're going to have. So if population was 60, this would repeat 60 times. If population was 40, this would repeat 40 times. So it creates 50 clones, and then the clones go to a random spot, and then they point in a random direction. And then, as we said before, they move movement steps, then if on edge bounds. Okay, so the next thing I want you all to do is answer these questions. It's okay if you don't know all the answers, but I just want you guys to start thinking, especially this table. This is really important so you know that you understand what all the variables mean that are set up in the program for us.